Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you will get your review collection link. Okay, so to do that you need to go to the reputation from your GoHighLevel dashboard and then go to the settings. Okay, so let me go to the settings tab. Okay, so from here click review link. Okay, so in this case you can see here we have the option to integrate with the Google My Business, Facebook, this tool option. Okay, but you know that our it's snapshot, okay, ReviewKits Snapshot, it actually support a multiple different platform like Google My Business, Trustpilot, Airbnb, Facebook, Yelp, Twitter, Z2, Captura, and lots more. Okay, and you can even also add your own custom review link if you have. Okay, but GoHighLevel doesn't have all those integration until now. Okay, so that's why you can integrate with your Facebook business page as well as your Google My Business page. Okay, but you can get all other links from that particular platform. Okay, so there's not the big problem. Okay, so in this case I'm going to show you how you will get your link. Okay, for the Google My Business and Facebook. Okay, so as it's the demo account, so that's why I don't have the integrated Google My Business and Facebook page. But here I have another account where I already have integrated the Google My Business and other pages. Okay, so when I click settings, and then you can see here it actually allow me to select the page. If I have more than one page under this Google account, then it will allow me to select. Okay, so select the account you want to use for Google My Business page, and then you will see this link. Okay, so let me visit the link and see how it actually works. Okay, so I just opened it on the incognito window. Okay, so it will not work on an incognito. Okay, so here is the link. If I go to the link, then it actually show me the review option. Okay, so I will use this link. Okay, so I need to save this. Okay, I just added the a link here. Let me add the link here, and then I will also add my Facebook business page link. Let me select the Facebook page, and then here is the review link. Okay, so I just need to save this one also here. Okay, so when we will integrate with the snapshot with our custom code snippet for the review kits, then we need all those links. And in our last video we saved the form integration uh, uh, embed code. Okay, so we also need that. Okay, so let me show you how we can configure that form and everything else. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video I will show you how we can configure the code snippet and integrate everything together to make our review kit snapshot work. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.